This is Canary Wharf underground station, and it is I think just about the best underground station on the entire London network. It's got a lovely great hall here, just as they have in Moscow, and plenty of room to sort of hang around in. There is a protection wall for the trains which stops you falling the tracks or something like that. This is part of the Jubilee line, the extension which was built in the 1990s. It's the newest line on the entire underground, and there's an interchange here for the Docklands light railway. And I think it's a pity that all the underground stations won't have this much room.
We currently have a goods service operating from Canary Wharf and to all destinations on the Jubilee line.
And there's also a good service here, so what more could one ask for? Very nice station, like the stations in Moscow and Warsaw. And plenty of space here to get out on as well. This is part of the new financial district of London. Extremely impressive. I was here in the early 1980s and it was just wasteland here. It's a wonderful regeneration project.